Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not available on your device it's not available on your country. We click on settings. On the application of Discord, we click on settings, then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above, you can search about Discord and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.